Today I'm transforming the stained sneakers back to almost brand new using simple things you probably already have at home. So these were badly stained, but by the end of this video they looked like this. Now let's get started. Like I said, you can use something you probably have at home. So we use a toothbrush and just a toothpaste and some baking soda and dish soap, and this we mix together thoroughly and brush the shoe surface. So these sneakers is actually of a cloth material, so if it's like a leather material, that one you can just use a wipe to just wipe off, and that will do the job. Next, we just proceed to rinse the shoe to at least know how far we have gone with the initial scrubbing. Now, compared to what it was, that was a very big change, and what we just do is to scrub a little more. At this point, the transformation is getting really obvious. Let's proceed to rinse off, and we still have a little more of the black stuff on it, but not to worry, we'll get there. All right, so grab a bowl and put some water in it, and what we want to do next is to pour in some white vinegar into this water. I soak the shoes in this mix for 1 hour, and this was the end result. Now we don't want yellow stains on the shoes while they dry, so we just grab some tissues and wet them and place them on the sneakers, just like I'm doing here. Just place them evenly all around the surfaces of the shoes, making sure that at the end they all looking like this. And lastly, just place some dry ones on the wet ones, just like I am doing. Grab them and just place them in a dry area. So I place this on the window side, and I place this for 12 hours. Same, after 12 hours, I stripped the tissues off the shoes, and this is what we've got. If you found this satisfying and helpful, would you kindly drop a like and subscribe so you don't miss subsequent videos of simple DIY fixes like this from my channel. Thank you so much for watching to the end. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.